Hi everyone. Okay. So आप लोगों को फनी लग रहा होगा बट I just came live to tell you about the show Mafia. You guys know how obsessively I watch web series. मुझे इतना मजा आता है. So Z5 obviously I got introduced because of Ragini. मैं Ragini मैंने यहाँ भी देखा and then I started to know about Mafia. And Mafia देख के मुझे इतना मजा आया. Like I first watched the trailer and trailer में मैंने देखा कि like there are these friends, they want to go out after years and refresh the memories. कहीं ना कहीं यार I know right. Yeah, so कहीं ना कहीं I still keep telling all my girlfriends कि let's go for a trip, let's go to a place where we've never been, है ना, कुछ try करते हैं नया. So मैंने माफिया उस चक्कर में देखा. Like after 5 years they are going, मतलब मेरे लिए तो ये dream ही है going out with my friends after 5 years for their bachelorette. And somewhat story, like somewhat this thing was also there in Ragini. That's why I was also interested in Ragini. कैसे friends जा रहे हैं, party करने जा रहे हैं, घूमने जा रहे हैं before their wedding. So yeah, this was fun यार. I mean तुम लोग को funny लगेगा बस मैं सिर्फ इसके लिए आई हूँ because I really like the show and मैं पूरी रात सोई नहीं हूँ. I've seen all the episodes. I just finished. एक last episode बाकी था. So yeah, my mug is matching my t-shirt. I didn't realize. So yeah, so एक last episode बाकी था. मैंने बोला सुबह उठ के मैं देखूंगी. And look at my eyes. मैं अभी तक sleepy हूँ because मैं पूरी रात सोई नहीं और मैं ये देख रही थी. इतने दिनों से मेरा शेड्यूल इतना अच्छा था. मैं सुबह सुबह उठ रही थी, वर्कआउट कर रही थी. Because of Mafia, it's all gone, but it's all worth it. I really liked it. मुझे ऐसे लगा कि थोड़ा बहुत हॉरर भी है इसमें, थोड़ा ड्रामा है, थोड़ा थ्रिलर है. So I was हाँ क्या pretty कहाँ. I'm like oh my god. Thank you guys. Thank you about this. So anybody has watched Mafia? Please go and watch it on Z5. It's one of the best series I have seen this season. I know my face is down because I did not sleep and I'm so sleep deprived. Isha, did you watch it? Oh, is that the reason you were calling me last night? So I ignored your call because I was too much into it. I was so into the story. मैं देख रही थी एक friend के साथ क्या हो रहा है. So yeah. Now I'll sleep. I'll go and sleep. I just came to tell you all. My favorite color. Blue. Shades of blue. All shades of blue. Arpita. Okay. Hi Arpita. Arpita has seen all the episodes. Arpita, please tell me what do you think. Do you think I'm crazy enough to come live and talk about it? But I'm talking about Mafia on Z5. You have to watch the story. You have to watch the series. And I strongly recommend. Yeah, and Z5 has some amazing shows like Ragini MMS Returns Season 2, Mafia. So last night, Crystal actually called me. Crystal said, Divya, you have to watch this show on Z5. And we keep talking about, we keep recommending shows to each other. I think हमारी friendship वहीं तक है. We just keep recommending shows. We met in a party and उसके बाद we were friends and then we keep recommending. And then she told me that you have to watch Mafia, Divya. Just go and watch it right now. So I was like, okay, fine, we'll watch it. Yeah, please watch it and tell me how was the show. Blue House Captain. मैंने भी देखा Mafia. Noreen, hi Noreen. Crystal D'Souza, guys. Hi Noreen, I am so glad you watched the show. I know, yeah. So it was so important in this lockdown to have good content. Varun and I, we keep searching for such content and मुझे बड़ा मजा आता है. And I'm really surprised. Mafia ka, I wanted to talk about not just about the story and the acting and the show. Everything was nice. But oh, Akshita has also seen Mafia. Thank you for coming online. How are you? Answer my call. Did you see it? कैसा लगा तुम्हें? I'll just shut this live in like 5 minutes and I'll call you, Akshita. I have to talk so many things about so many things. I have just changed my dressing table and it's all ready, Akshita. I'll send you pictures. So yeah, I was talking about the content we are getting. The Indian content is getting better and bigger. I'm really liking the way they're shooting everything. I know, right? It was interesting. In school age, we used to play Mafia. I don't know if you guys played Mafia. Also, the hidden identity game was so freaky. I know, right? So, we in school, this is what I'm talking about. In school, we used to play Mafia. And हमें पूरा दिन बड़ा मजा आता था. So first I thought Mafia would be like Mafia. तो I'm like ठीक है, ऐसा वाला भी होगा तो देख लूंगी because that is also my interest. But then when I saw the trailer, I'm like, no, this is about the game we used to play, Mafia. So I thought that okay, I'll come and talk about it. Oh, Namada Likhna completes a year. Thank you so much, guys. Okay. Coffee or tea? Tea anytime. Vidhi Jain played Mafia. Guys, मुझे कभी मौका मिला तो हम लोग ऐसा कुछ करेंगे. Online Mafia sort of thing. It'll be fun because जब से मैंने Mafia show देखा है तब से मेरा मन कर रहा है कि मैं अपने सारे friends को वापस reunite करके वैसे Mafia खेलूं. But not the way they played. That was very scary. That was really stressful. But it gets dark. The show gets dark and it gets a little scary also. Scary, not wala scary, but normal wala scary. I'll add fan pages later. I'm here only to talk about this show because Isha, you to shut up. For every show, you are like कि हाँ ठीक है, तुम पूरी रात जागती हो और फिर तुम मुझे सुबह सुबह फोन करके बोलती हो. And today I thought I'll go live and talk about it, यार. It's better to share content, यार, क्योंकि कभी कभी कैसा होता है टीवी चालू करती हूँ मैं और मैं बस स्क्रॉल करती रहती हूँ कि यार क्या देखूँ आज, क्या देखूँ, मुझे कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है. What do I do? Thank you guys. How are you all? Hi Anjali. Hi Mama. Mama, आपने शो देखा Mafia? So one of my show partners is Varun's mom, and we always keep discussing about shows and how crazy. Varun, Sundar, मेरा मुंह देखो कितना सूजा हुआ है. I did not sleep all night, baby. I was watching this show. You know me. So Varun, you have to watch. जब तुम वापस आओगे, please रुक जाओ. मुझे तुम्हारे साथ देखनी है because it's all about best friends going on a trip. But you're my best friend now. Okay, I'm sweating. हाँ Mama, please watch it. This is a nice show on Z5, Mafia. Please watch it. So, I am sorry, Jan. आपके बिना मैंने देख लिया. But when तुम आओगे 14th को okay. Varun is coming on the 14th, guys. Everybody keeps asking me. So yeah, Varun is coming on the 14th. So Varun, when we'll come back, we'll watch it again, and then you'll be so amazed to see कि इसमें real mafia कौन है, who is it, and यार dark देखने के लिए मेरे को pen and paper लगेगा यार Netflix पे dark देखने के लिए. I just can't. I mean that's too much information for me. This one went well for me. Yeah. Okay. Varun, please come back and I have to watch the show with you again. I finished. देखो मेरी हालत देखो. I did not sleep all night. So Mafia is. Oh hi doctor. Hi Dr. Syed. Okay, so Mafia is about these 6 friends. They go. They meet after 5 years and they plan to go for some fun trip for Bachelorette, and there they start playing Mafia. So Mafia, you know the game, right? Who's the Mafia throughout the day. Okay, I'm not giving any spoilers. This is just a basic story of the trailer. So yeah, so they go out and weird things happen and बहुत ड्रामा होता है, बहुत कुछ होता है, मर्डर्स, किल्स, सुसाइड, ये वो बहुत कुछ होता है. So you guys will watch that show. That show is really interesting. It gets dark, but it's the way it's been shot. Aajkal, I'm glad that people in India, they are actually no, I'm not giving any spoilers, Baba. I'm just talking about jitna trailer mein hai, Isha. So I have like मैं इतने सारे कंटेंट देखती रहती हूँ, एंड उसमें से वी रियली, वरुण और मैं यही बात करते रहते हैं कि कौन सा अच्छा कंटेंट है, कौन सा अच्छा नहीं है. द वे इट्स बीइंग शॉट, द वे इट्स बीइंग डायरेक्टेड, एवरीथिंग कम्स इनटू द पिक्चर. सो या, वरुण अभी सो के उठा है, लाइक जस्ट राइट नाउ विद माई लाइफ. आई एम सो श्योर अबाउट इट. ही जस्ट मैसेज मी गुड मॉर्निंग. सो या, later on Varun and I will come live together, guys. Thank you. So you guys, just to tell you guys, watch Mafia on Z5. Watch Mafia on Z5. I know my nose is looking very bad because I did not sleep, and मैं जब सोती नहीं हूँ ना, मेरा पूरा मुंह सूजा हुआ लगता है. Yeah. So guys, please watch Mafia. हाँ जान, sleep on Z5, and tell me and let me know. I'm saving this live. Tell me and let me know how did you like. And I'm gonna give more web series ke reviews for you guys, because I know how difficult it is when you are on TV and you have no idea what to watch and kya naya dekhe, kya acha dekhe. So you all watch it now. Ha mama, I'm just shutting this live and sleeping. I'm so sleepy right now. Chalo, okay guys, I shall go, I shall leave now. You guys take care. I'm gonna go and sleep, wash my face and go sleep, है ना? So you guys, love you all. I'll see you guys in some time. Perfect. Next time you decide. Okay, I'll decide what to watch next time. So Varun has been only guiding me what to watch when we are together. Missing roadies. Roadies शुरू होने वाला है, guys. Don't worry. Okay, Mama, I'll call you. Bye. Okay guys, so bye, and I'm telling you again, please watch Mafia on Z5.